Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this blinking animation on CapCut PC. So to do that, you are going to basically select your video, place it on the second timeline, go to remove background, select custom removal, select the smart brush, and just select everything that's not what you want, like where you want to apply the blinking animation to. So I'm just going to select this except for the mirror part of the video, like that. Then select apply, and then I'm just going to place a background underneath. Let's say I'll just add this video. Where is it? And I'm going to go to the background section. I'll add in this black stock video and I'm just going to freeze frame it. I'm going to select mask and I'm going to select the mirror one and I'm going to reverse that. Just angle it at a slanted bit. I'm just going to place it like this first. I'm going to add a keyframe. And then here I'm going to close it. Whoops. Here I'm just going to close that. And then here I'm going to open it again, but just a little bit. And then here I'm going to close it and just animate it the way you want. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!